Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a review on this product called the center console armrest box cover. This is a follow-up video for my last video where I showed how to remove the things that you drop into your box cover pocket area, and this is to prevent things from falling into the pocket. So when you open it up, this is the bar that you'll get, and there's an adhesive on the bottom that you're going to stick it on top of the box cover. And then when you open it, it'll fold with it and it'll prevent things from sliding by having this bar right here that when you have stuff sliding onto it, it blocks it from going to the hole. So let's go test it out. Alright, so here is the top of my box cover. There's the lid, and what you want to do is slide it to the edge, and then you can stick the adhesive right here on the side, and this is what prevents it from falling, whatever you have left laying here, falling into the hole. So let's test it out. So without this being sticky, I'm going to see if it still would fall into the hole and get stuck down there. And as you can see, it didn't fall into the hole and get stuck. So I'm going to try it with the adhesive and have something lay on top of here and see if it falls in. So go ahead and peel this red tape out. So before you stick the adhesive down, make sure to leave a little gap on the end of it, the edge, or else it won't open properly. So I'm going to stick it down here, give it a little room, then press down. So when you open it, it opens properly. Don't stick it all the way to the edge because it'll prevent it from opening properly. It'll have like a soft opening, then you have to push all the way in to open it up. So now you have a little gap right here and a little cover that is opening right here. Don't stick it all the way to the edge because it'll prevent it from opening. So once you have it stick down, press it down to have it stick, then it open properly. Next, I'm going to test some stuff having lay on top here and see if it goes down. Nope. Just have some card laying on top here. Yep. About. Yep. Alright, I'm going to have my phone here, see if it falls down or not. Alright, how about my wallet and keys? Yep. So it seems like this thing is working properly, so go ahead and check it out and test it for yourself. Seems like it's working, so I'm going to leave it here, and yeah, that's it. Let me know what you think.